Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You need to act now. Sign into YouTube and load the channel you want to inspect. Once signed in, confirm the channel meets partner program thresholds so monetization is possible. Next, open the channel's video list and pick a high-view recent upload. Make sure you're using a browser without ad blockers. Ads are the fastest visible clue. Finally, note upload dates and view counts. Those numbers help prioritize where monetized videos are most likely to appear. Play the selected videos and watch for pre-roll, mid-roll, or overlay ads. That confirms ad revenue is active. Once you see ads, pause and scan the video description and pinned comment for sponsorships or affiliate disclosures. Those indicate additional monetization streams. Make sure to use YouTube filters. Sort by view count and recent uploads to find regularly monetized content. Also, check multiple videos across a channel to ensure monetization. To finish, verify monetization by checking several uploads on different devices and accounts. Consistency indicates an enabled channel. Once done, corroborate your findings with third-party analytics sites to see revenue estimates and upload cadence, which explain why some videos earn more. If you see no ads, make sure ad blockers are off. Test in an incognito window, or change region with a VPN. Ads can be blocked by extensions or unavailable in certain countries. That troubleshooting step fixes most false negatives.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.